Hello, boys and girls. I hope you're having a terrific Tuesday. I miss you guys so much. And here we go with our word of the day. So I have my paper from yesterday, and I'm just going to start below it. I'm actually going to draw a line so that I can remember that that was day 1, and here's day 2. Today's date is April 7th, 2020. So I'm going to write 4-7-20. Okay, make sure you write your date on your paper. I'll say it again. 4-7-20. Good. And your word today is lab. Write the word lab. Lab. What sounds do you hear in lab? If you need more time, go ahead and pause the video. Otherwise, I'm going to get started on writing our word lab. First, I'm going to stretch it out so I could hear all the sounds. Ready? Lab. Say it fast. Lab. Good. Let's count it. Lab. How many sounds did you hear? 3. Good. Okay, our first sound. Ooh, like Leslie and Louise. I'm gonna write letter L. Ooh, ah. Good. Letter A. Ooh, ab. Ooh, like ball and boy. Lab. I'm gonna write letter B. Lab. Okay, go ahead, writing the word lab. Remember, even if you wrote it correctly the first time, you have to write it one more time, making sure that our letter L, it starts at your top line all the way down. Letter A, it stays in your stairs and the floor. And then letter B, it starts at the ceiling and goes all the way down. Check your formation, my friends. Okay, now we need to start thinking of rhyming words. So yesterday we wrote the word cab. So we know cab and lab, dab. This is kind of a hard one. There's not a lot of real words that rhyme with ab. I think I'm just going to keep it simple and write our word from yesterday because I know cab rhymes with lab. Cab. Cab. You could write any rhyming word, just making sure it's a real word. Okay, my friends, we're going to get ready to write our sentence. So when I think of a lab, I think of a place where we can go do science or STEM or experiments. So I'm going to say, can we go to the STEM lab? Say it with me, ready? Can we go to the STEM lab? Let's count how many words, ready? Can we go to the STEM lab? 5 and 2 is how many? 7. Okay, when I start my sentence, am I going to start with what kind of letter? Lowercase or capital? Can. Can is a sight word. How do we write it? C-A-N. Can we? We's another sight word. How do we write it? Making sure you have your spaceman. If you need to, use your finger or a crayon or something to help give you space. Can we? W-E. Okay, read it with me. Ready? Can we go? Write the word go. Making sure your letter G, it needs to break through the ground. It should go lower than all your other letters. Here we go. Can we go to? To is another sight word. How do we write it? T-O. Can we go to the? That's a sight word. How do we write it? Tell me the letters. Good. T-H-E. Let's read it. Can we go to the stem? Ooh, let's count how many sounds we hear in stem. M. Four sounds. Ready? Like Emmanuel. Letter E. M. Like Madeline and Milani and Mario. Here we go. Let's read it. Can we go to the STEM lab? Here's your word from today. You know how to write it. Lab. Okay, my friends, we need our ending punctuation, but is this a sentence or is this a question? What are we going to put at the end of this one? We need a question mark because we are asking a question. So remember, backwards C, a little line down, and a dot. Okay, let's read it one more time together. Ready? Pointer power under your words. Here we go. Ready, go. Can we go to the STEM lab? Nice job, my friends. Make sure you go and read the sentence to somebody else in your house, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.